Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's story guys, I'm going to show you how to connect Cloud Code to database with MCP. So MCP is basically, as we explained it in many videos, it is called Model Context Protocol. It is the system that lets Cloud Code connect to external tools, including databases like MySQL and SQLite and SQL servers. So once connected, you can ask questions in plain English and Cloud can query the database for you. So what to do? First of all, you need to make sure that the actual Cloud is installed by going to your PowerShell. Let me just do this real quick. Go to here, PowerShell, and simply write down the command that is called Cloud version. Now, if you don't have Cloud installed correctly, this command will not work for you, so make sure that it is correctly installed. For me, I have something wrong with it. That is why it is corrupted. The second thing is to choose a database MCP server. So there are many of them, so select the one that is the best for you. There is the MySQL, SQLite, and SQL server. There are MCP database servers available that supports all of these databases systems, so choose the best one for you. Then add the MCP server to Cloud Code. You can literally just do Cloud. Let me just go here. You literally just write down this, and this should be added. And once you click on enter, it should work for you. The second thing, if you are using a local MCP server, then you should type this command, which is this one. So Cloud MCP, add my database, type sudo and command, and that's pretty much it. Once you have done it, you should configure database credentials. Most database MCP servers will need a database host, username, password, database name, and port number, and you will be good to go. So thank you guys a lot for watching. See you guys next upcoming video.